Need heater repairs or furnace service in Tucson? Our highly trained, friendly technicians are available to you night and day should you need service for your heating system. We never charge overtime to first-time customers. Our technicians are trained on a weekly basis on repairing your equipment. Additionally, we utilize a best practices method of having all of our technicians' diagnoses and recommendations reviewed by our most senior and experienced personnel before we offer any repair recommendations to you. If your home is in need of heater or furnace repair, call us at 520-433-9215 or visit us at www.totalcomfortaz.com.